Scene script. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what shows you like? Or how Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant seem to understand your commands? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known. It's a concept that has seeped into our daily lives, often without us even noticing. You see, AI is the idea that machines can be taught to mimic human intelligence. Think about it. When you're watching your favorite series on Netflix, there's a complex algorithm working behind the scenes, learning from your viewing habits and suggesting shows that align with your tastes. This is AI in action. It takes in information, processes it, and learns from it. Or consider your virtual assistant, Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. You ask a question or give a command, and it responds almost instantaneously. It's able to understand your request, process it, and provide a relevant response. Again, this is AI at work. But AI isn't confined to just our entertainment and personal assistance. It's everywhere. From autonomous vehicles navigating the streets to personalized marketing strategies based on your online behavior, AI is integrated into nearly every aspect of our lives. At its core, AI is about learning, reasoning, and self-correcting. It's about creating machines that can think and learn like us, but with the added benefit of being able to process and analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. And perhaps what's most intriguing about AI is its ability to evolve. As it's exposed to more data and experiences, it learns and adapts, becoming more efficient and accurate in its tasks. This makes AI a powerful tool and an integral part of our world. So, the next time you're watching a recommended show on Netflix or asking Siri for the weather forecast, remember that there's a complex web of AI working behind the scenes to make these conveniences possible. It's clear that AI is no longer just a concept of the future. It's here, and it's changing the way we live and work. If you're intrigued by AI, have you ever thought about turning that interest into a career? It's an exciting time to be in the field of artificial intelligence. The career opportunities are vast and varied, with roles that cater to a wide range of interests and skill sets. Let's delve into some of these opportunities. Firstly, we have data scientists. These are the people who make sense of the vast amounts of data that AI systems need to function. They are tasked with collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data, and then using this information to develop AI models. Then we have machine learning engineers. These professionals are responsible for creating the algorithms that allow machines to learn from data. They're the ones who take the models developed by data scientists and turn them into functional AI systems. AI specialists, on the other hand, require a deep understanding of both these roles. They are typically responsible for overseeing the development and implementation of AI systems, ensuring they meet the needs of the business or organization. But it's not just about these specific roles. AI skills are in high demand across a multitude of industries. In healthcare, AI is being used to predict patient outcomes and personalize treatment plans. In finance, it's being utilized to detect fraudulent transactions and automate trading systems. And in the technology sector, AI is at the forefront of everything from voice recognition to self-driving cars. The demand for AI professionals is only expected to grow. As more and more businesses recognize the potential of AI, the need for skilled professionals to develop and implement these systems is increasing. The great thing about pursuing a career in AI is that it's not just about finding a job. It's about being part of something bigger. It's about using your skills to solve complex problems and make a real difference in the world. So whether you're interested in data, algorithms, or overseeing the development of AI systems, there's a role for you in this exciting field. With a career in AI, you're not just joining a booming industry, you're also shaping the future. So, how do you get started in the world of AI? Well, it all begins with a solid foundation in certain key areas. First and foremost, you need to be proficient in programming languages. Python is the most commonly used language in AI because of its simplicity and flexibility. Other languages like R, Java, and C++ also come in handy, but Python remains the go-to choice for most AI enthusiasts. Next, you need to understand machine learning algorithms. These are the crux of AI, as they allow computers to learn from data. You don't need to know every algorithm out there, but understanding the fundamental ones like linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks is essential. Data structures are another important aspect. You should have a strong understanding of how data is organized and manipulated. This includes knowledge of arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. But remember, AI is a rapidly evolving field. What's relevant today might not be tomorrow. So continuous learning is crucial. This might sound intimidating, but the beauty of living in the digital age is that there are plenty of resources available at your fingertips. Online courses are a great place to start. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer comprehensive AI courses. They cover everything from basics to advanced topics and are often taught by industry experts. Books are another excellent resource. Titles like Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, and Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn and TensorFlow are highly regarded in the field. Then there are tutorials. These are short, focused lessons that help you get a grasp on specific topics. Websites like Medium and GitHub are filled with tutorials on a wide range of AI topics. So dive in, explore, experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Building your skills in AI is not about being perfect. It's about embracing the journey, staying curious, and constantly pushing your boundaries. Remember, building your skills in AI is a journey, not a destination. But what does a career in AI mean for society at large? When we look at the potential impacts of artificial intelligence, we see a future brimming with possibilities. A future where industries are revolutionized, efficiency is improved, and new opportunities are created. Let's delve a bit deeper. Imagine a world where machines can predict and prevent diseases even before they occur, or where intelligent algorithms can optimize energy consumption, reducing our carbon footprint. Picture a world where AI can help solve complex issues, from climate change to global poverty, by analyzing vast amounts of data that would take humans lifetimes to comprehend. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize every sector, from healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment. It can make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. This efficiency can free up human time and creativity for other endeavors, sparking a renaissance of innovation and discovery. However, like any powerful tool, AI also comes with its own set of challenges. One of the major concerns is job displacement. As machines become more capable, there's a fear that they will replace humans in many roles. The challenge here is to ensure that as AI takes over certain tasks, it also creates new opportunities for human employment and engagement. Another concern is privacy. With AI's ability to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data, there are legitimate concerns about how this information is used and who has access to it. Ethical considerations around AI are still being debated, and it's crucial that we strike a balance between leveraging AI's potential and protecting individual rights. So, as we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, remember that with great power comes great responsibility. As an AI professional, you have a pivotal role in shaping this future. Your decisions can help ensure that AI is used to benefit humanity while minimizing its potential pitfalls. As you build your career in AI, remember that you have the power to shape not only your own future, but the future of society as well. AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a field full of exciting opportunities and challenges. We've delved into the omnipresence of AI in our lives, the promising career paths it offers, the skills you need to harness its potential, and its profound societal impact. It's clear that AI isn't just shaping our future, it's already here, changing the landscape of our everyday lives. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, Remember that the future of AI is in your hands.